Okay. So Nikhil, first, thank you very much for sparing some time to share your interview experience.
Yes, sir. No problem.
Okay. So recently you appeared for IIT Bombay Aerospace Department. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So before going to record your interview experience, Nikhil, first tell me something brief about you. Like what was your grade score and what's your CGPA and from how many departments you received gold with this particular score till now?
Okay. Um, Sir, my CGPA is 6.93 and my grade score is 758. So, with these scores, I received call from ISC Bangalore for research program. That was from mechanical department, and I got call from IIT Bombay aerospace department for PhD. Recently, I also received call from IIT Bombay Energy Science for MTech. So I have only given the interview for IIT Bombay yet. IISc interview is yet to
This was
come.
your first interview.
Yes, yes.
So how many panel members were there and what they asked you? Tell us brief about that so that we will get some idea what structure, what system they are operating like IIT Bombay faculties.
Yes. There were six faculty members. So they were all from the aerospace propulsion department. So they had previously asked us to select one specialization from aerospace.
Okay.
So I had selected propulsion.
Hmm.
So there were six faculty members. All faculty members are from aerospace only, for from propulsion. And they started by asking about my academic background. And later, I've completed my BTech in 2019. So they asked what have I done in these 2 years. So I experienced my experience of 1.5 year. Later, they started with the technical part. So they asked me about my favorite subjects. So which they can ask questions from. So I answered thermodynamics, heat transfer, and fluid mechanics. So the first professor, he started with thermodynamics. He asked about definition. He asked about the first law of thermodynamics for a closed system and an open system. Um, then uh, then he asked uh, what equations will I use for analyzing a flow through a duct. So I said energy equation and continuity equation, energy balance and continuity equation. So he asked if we consider the flow to be viscous, uh, will these two equations be sufficient, or another equation like the momentum equation will be required. So I said the momentum equation will be required for viscous flow, and then that was it from thermodynamics. Then the entire interview, rest of the interviews continued with fluid mechanics. So another panel member, he asked about he started with flow measurement. So he asked what instruments are used for flow measurement. So which I know of. So I mentioned the instruments, and then uh, he asked about difference between orifice meter and venturi meter.
Osimeter. Okay.
So uh, yes, so these two he asked, and I answered that. So that was basic question which he started from, and then he asked about manometer and pitot tube. So
Difference between
pitot tube,
manometer.
he asked. No, not different. He individually he asked
Yes.
about pitot tube first. What is pitot tube used for, and how is it used to uh, obtain the velocity of the flow? And then he asked, can pitot tube be used to measure pressure differences? So these two questions he asked from pitot tube, and he asked to sketch a pitot tube in use. These three questions he asked from pitot tube, and then he asked about manometer. So how many types of manometers are there, and what are their uses? Then that panel member asked this much. And then another panel member, third panel member, he asked about difference between uh, difference between hot wire anemometer and pitot tube. So first he asked what is hot wire anemometer used for. He said velocity measurement. Then he asked difference between uh, the hot wire anemometer and pitot tube and which is used in which case. That question I wasn't able to answer properly. So yes. So then that's it. Then the interview ended.
They've not asked you anything about your research interest, like you explored the IT Bombay website or in which any research gap you analyze. Because your PhD, it is generally observed that they asked a question from that area also. Means your BTech project,
Yes.
research interest. They have not asked you anything from that.
No, in the interview they haven't asked, but before the interview they had asked to fill a Google form, so
Okay.
in which we have to fill out our research interest and how it matches with the research being carried out by the professors I've selected. So they had asked to fill a Google form, but in the interview there was no question
Okay.
on research. There were only questions on technical subjects.
So what was the total duration of that interview, Nikit? I think 15 minutes or more than that.
15 to 20 minutes. The
15 to
interview
20.
was 15 to 20 minutes.
So out of six, only two faculty members they asked you the question. Remaining four they are just observing.
Yes, three faculty members asked.
Three.
Uh, one was like leading. He was inviting other members to ask
Okay.
questions,
Mhm.
and three faculty members in total asked questions.
Okay. The questions I think they are only the basic level questions they asked. Huh? The questions are very simple and
Yes,
straightforward, simple direct questions.
yes. They had focused only on flow measurement and velocity measurement. Experimental.
Any no specific
Things.
question they asked from that aerospace engineering department. I think these are very like fluid mechanics, thermodynamics. These are very
Yes,
common subject in mechanical engineering.
yes,
So
yes, sir.
generally we feel ki if you are going for aerospace department, they can ask you questions from compressible flow, then the
Yes,
movement of the body, some like
yes, yes. So those were the topics I had
they
prepared.
have
I had
no track force
expected those
connecting. They
questions.
don't ask you anything about it.
No, but
Yes.
they didn't.
Great. So I think you answered. You answered because questions are very basic and you are having experience also, like in doing Snap also you appeared. So I think you performed well. Yeah. So let me ask you one more thing.
Yes, sir.
The gap they asked something about your gap. So how you justify that?
Yes.
You mentioned something about your experience.
Um, they didn't ask about my gap. Actually, during the introduction, they had asked about my academic background. So I had said I have done BTech uh, in 2019. So I didn't mention my work experience. I have work experience of 1.5 year. I didn't mention it because it wasn't related to PhD.
Okay.
But but I like later understood that they wanted to know
Yes.
my
Yes.
timeline, like what have
Yes.
I done after that also.
Yes.
So they
Yes.
asked an individual question, and I said that I've worked in a company as a maintenance engineer. So they didn't ask any further questions on that.
Hmm. Okay. So, if, Niket, now you're having the experience, you appeared in IIT Bombay interview. So, if I will
Yes.
ask you, like, what suggestion you want to give to the student, what they generally need to prepare for their interviews in IIT Bombay or any other IIT? So, how to
Uh,
prepare for interview? If I will ask you.
okay. So I'll talk about IIT Bombay because in IIT Bombay they had given the list of the faculty members and their research areas also, and they had also mentioned something about experience required or experience useful for this particular professor. So in almost every of the professor which I had selected, one point was there, experimental experience or something related to experiments. So like all the three faculty members I had selected had that point. So that's why like we can expect the questions to be from experimental side only, like a fluid flow measurement and all. So I would suggest to go through the profile of the professors that we have selected, and the recent work which has been carried out. So all these professors had the recent project was from experimental side only. So we can predict something like what will be asked in the interview.
Yes.
And yes, only be confident. They are very helpful. Actually, the professors are helpful
Yes.
and they are friendly also. So just be confident, and yes, you can crack the interview. It's basic graduation level questions only.
Yes, basically, I was controlling. Good. So, what like if we will conclude this particular experience, what are your learnings from that?
My learnings are like
There is
it's
a
the first
further
time
scope of improvement.
yes,
You
I
realize
think there
that?
is a further
Nice.
scope. Yes, I had prepared uh, all the parts of shock and compressible flow, but I had not visited this part like compressible, like flow measurement and all. But these are, I think, if we tell three subjects to the professor, we need to be prepared completely on these subjects.
Yes, yes.
Yes, so they can ask questions from anywhere. Yes. So in next interview, the ISC I have interview, so I'll be prepared completely, and I will expect questions from anywhere.
Yes. Okay. So, I think they've not conducted any written examination. Huh? Directly, they shortlisted you based on your gate score. I think
No, sir.
there
There
was no
was a
more
written
than.
exam also.
Actually, initially there was written examination.
Yes, there was a written exam.
Okay.
They had set a criteria in written exam only, and during the paper only they had said there were two sections, and in each section had a cutoff, and they had mentioned in the question paper only what the cutoff was.
Can you tell me something about the written test? Like what was the pattern? What type of question they asked, and how you cracked? Like what you prepared for that, so that you will be able to crack that examination.
Okay. So before the written test, they had asked to select a specialization. So I had selected propulsion.
Proportion. Okay.
Yes. So questions were came from propulsion only,
Mhm.
and there were two sections. One was mathematics and English, and the second section was the technical part. So each section had a cutoff, and they had mentioned that in the paper, as I said. So
Total time for the exam is 3 hours or less.
they had given 2 hours for the exam, but it was easy to finish the exam in 45 minutes only.
Okay.
So,
Okay. Okay.
yes. So the extra time was
Basic
given for
objective
any network problems or something.
network. Okay. And how many
Yes.
questions are there?
Uh, from the first section, there were 15 questions, English and mathematics part.
Basic level
From the
only. Basic level mathematics.
yes, basic level mathematics.
Engineering mathematics or even 11, 12?
No, engineering mathematics,
Engineering
and
mathematics.
mm, the portion was from
Gate
gate
level
only.
means
Yes,
if
gate
you
level.
if you cover that gate level mathematics easily you can cover that also.
Yes, yes.
Mhm. What
And
about the
the
English?
English, there were five
English?
questions. There were five questions, and they were all from the same passage only. Only one passage, and reading comprehension was
Okay. And how many
yes.
questions are from that technical part?
The technical part there were 20 questions, and the cutoff was 12 marks. 12 marks out of 20.
Okay,
So
each
the
question carry 1 marks. It's 20 question, 20 marks.
no, no.
25 questions.
There were 15 questions. Some were of 2 marks, and some were of 1 mark. Uh, so I selected propulsion. So the questions were mainly from compressible flow. One question was from combustion, uh, stoichiometric equation, and yes, the rest of the questions, two questions were from power plant, very basic questions, and one was of ramjet. Which cycle does a ramjet engine follow?
Means compressible part which actually we planned initially that helped you in the written examination.
Yes, yes,
Major question they asked you from that.
yes. There were two questions from compressible, both of 2 marks. So
Four
those were
marks.
easy questions, but basic we need to know
Yes,
compressible
yes,
flow
yes.
basics.
So overall pattern of the examination is basic only, मतलब average level of questions only. But you need to
Yes,
be very thorough with the whole different concepts of
yes, yes,
all chapters, है ना? You cannot skip some areas, है ना? You cannot skip some chapters.
yes, yes.
But
So
if
they
you
expected us to know a little about aerospace also, like ramjet engine. That is not usually part of mechanical
yes, yes.
syllabus, but basic they expected us to know, and that they asked in written exam.
Only one two questions you found those are related to aerospace, or other than this
No,
also
there
they
were
asked
3-4
some more
questions.
questions from that. Only one two. As a student can easily score, easily qualify that cutoff. No? I think out of 30, 12 marks, I think it is only 30 to 40%. Is the cutoff criteria is only 30 to 40%.
Yes, 20 marks paper was the second section was of 20 marks and 12 was the cutoff.
Mm.
So yes,
60%.
60% I think
60%.
cutoff was there.
Yes, 60%. Okay.
Yes,
Sergey, so you described in very detailed manner, Nikhil. What was their pattern? How they asked? What was the panel member, six panel member you mentioned, and what type of question they generally asked? So from that we can predict
yes,
something like generally this year they are asking a question like that. Next year also, because there will be no that kind of changes will be there. The pattern if
yes,
this year it is like that, then next year the pattern will be same like that only. So
yes,
again, thank you very much, Nikhil, for sparing your time, and I think your interaction that will benefit lots of students.
yes.
Okay,
Okay.
so
Thank you,
best
sir.
of luck and best of luck, and surely you will get some good career opportunities other than this also. So
Yes.
keep learning, keep preparing. Okay, thank you.
Okay. Thank you,
Okay,
sir.
okay, Nikhil.